For me, it's a dream come true because I always wanted to play sa PBA. And then it's an honor on my part na makakalaro ko under Coach Manny Pacquiao's team.
When you're a kid, you're just playing to play, you know, because you love it. Now you're a professional, it's about pride, it's about a lot of things. There are a lot of things that come into factor. It's your job now. And, you know, you have to do your job the right way. You have to do it well.
Ang mai-share ko, maituro ko sa lahat ng mga players. Pag nagtitraining ako, nagpo-focus ako, hindi ako nadi-discourage sa mga sinasabi dyan sa labas. Kung yung mga sinasabing mga negative na narinig ko, yun ang ginagawa kong inspiration to focus, to train more, to work hard.
It's a different stage for everybody because it's PBA. It's, you know, the biggest league in the country, so you just have to come out and play.
Very exciting yan para sa mga fans na ano kayang maibubuga ng bagong team.
Hindi na. Wala na atrasan.
Magandang hapon po, PBA fans, on this 4th year season of the PBA.
Siyempre nakakaba kasi first time, pero pag nakapunta ka naman sa court, mawawala na yung pag pinawisan ka na.
Hindi naman mawawala yung excitement sa pagiging player pagka nakasampa ka ng PBA.
Ang i-expect nila mamaya, paglabas namin sa dugout, itong team na to maglalaro ng 101%.
We work hard and we try to improve every day. We can accomplish a lot of things and we can turn a lot of heads. So expect the unexpected from Kia.
Okay, pag sinuot mo yung isang jersey, tapos aakyat ka sa itong level na PBA, yung feel ko, ito na, kumbaga ibubuhos ko na yung best ko na binigyan ako ng isang pagkakataon.
We want to keep learning, keep growing, keep building as a team. We'll try to emulate our coach, Manny. We'll try to carry that as far as the team on the floor. Hardworking, fight hard, never say die attitude type of thing.
Basta sabi ko, bigay lang niyo yung best niyo. Mas maganda nga, wala tayong pangalan, basta lumabang kayo. Tingnan natin.
Sa PBA kasi, the story there is you need to build a culture. Kung paano makikilala yung team mo. What kind of team ang maglalaro sa court. People, the fans, okay, they need to know that. Kasi ayun yung magiging come-on mo later on. We select players kasi we believe. Pero alam namin, mag-grow sila sa system. Mag-grow sila sa basketball foundation, tsaka sa culture na ilalagay namin.